Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the raw truth about the world's most fascinating vehicles. And today, we've got something extraordinary. The 2025 Kenworth SnowDrifter LX, a motorhome truck that's rewriting the EE, rules of off-grid luxury and rugged adventure. If you thought RVs were only about comfort and not built for extreme terrains, the SnowDrifter LX is here to change your mind. Born from Kenworth's legacy of powerful long-haul trucks, this beast combines the strength of a commercial rig with the opulence of a luxury motorhome. Let's talk about the exterior. The SnowDrifter LX rides high on an upgraded T880 chassis with 6.1-6 all-wheel drive capability. It features 44-inch off-road tires, heated and reinforced wheel wells, and custom-built snow-clearing bumpers. The fully insulated body uses composite panels designed to withstand temperatures as low as -50 degrees Fahrenheit. It even comes equipped with solar panels on the roof and an onboard diesel generator for full off-grid independence. Now step inside, and it feels like you're walking into a luxury apartment on wheels. The interior is a seamless blend of function and finesse. You get real hardwood flooring, premium leather seating, and a spacious living area with a full entertainment system. The ambient lighting and panoramic windows bring a touch of elegance to the harshest environments. The kitchen is just as impressive. It includes a convection oven, induction stove, smart fridge, and even a dishwasher. Across from it is a cozy dining booth that can be converted into an additional sleeping space. Move to the rear, and you'll find a master suite with a queen-sized memory foam bed, underbed storage, climate control, and blackout blinds for total comfort. The bathroom is top-tier too, featuring a walk-in shower, composting toilet, heated floors, and even a fog-free mirror. What's truly next level is the smart control system. Everything, from lighting to water levels and generator status, can be managed via a central touchscreen or the SnowDrifter mobile app. Now let's talk about what it's like to drive this monster. Behind the wheel, it's pure Kenworth power and precision. The driver's cab includes a full digital dash, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and a winter navigation suite built for snowy terrains. Powering the SnowDrifter is a Cummins X15 Performance Series engine that cranks out up to 605 horsepower and a massive 2,050 pound-feet of torque. It can tow up to 40,000 pounds and handles steep, icy roads with ease. Whether you're exploring the Rockies, winter camping in Alaska, or just chasing the horizon, the SnowDrifter LX is built to keep you warm, safe, and totally off-grid ready. So, is the 2025 Kenworth SnowDrifter LX just another luxury RV? Not even close. It's a survival machine with a 5-star soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss an honest take on the world's most unique vehicles. This is Honest Auto Wheels, and I'll see you in the next ride.